so we've got this passage, oxides. This group is made up of minerals that contain oxygen, which makes sense with the word oxide. See that ox at the beginning. Combined with one or more metals. So it's an oxygen plus a metal. Oxygen is readily available in Earth's crust and often combines with many different element types. So readily means it's easy to find. This is allowing the properties of oxide minerals to vary greatly. Vary means to be very different. So examples include the valuable mineral corundum, which we've talked about a lot. It's very hard, which forms rubies and sapphires. Hematite, which is identified by its red streak in powdered form, and uranite. So that's uranium and oxygen. So that is this paragraph. So these are examples: corundum, hematite, uranite, and it's often in Earth's crust. Okay, our first question from this page is, according to the passage, remember that's according to what's going on up here, kind of like the rest of these, what are the characteristics of the oxide group? So characteristics means what's true about them. So our three options here were contain only oxygen, made of minerals containing oxygen and one or more metals, contain only metals, scarce. So scarce means hard to find. So let's go through these one at a time. So contain only oxygen. We want to go back and read and see what it says they contain. Made of minerals containing oxygen and one or more metals. Contain only metals. So contain only metals. Is oxygen a metal? No. So why would an oxide, something that's named for oxygen, be made of only metals? So we can probably easily eliminate this one. And then scarce. Did we read a word that meant the opposite of scarce in our passage? That's a great question. I think we did. So oxygen is readily available. That means easy to find. Scarce means hard to find, not common. We can say that that's wrong, which we go back and that makes sense because all three of these things can't be true. It can't contain only oxygen, it can't contain only metals, and it can't contain both. Like, it can't be all three of those things that are true. So which one of these is true? Contains only oxygen, or made of minerals containing only oxygen and one or more metals?